Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today, look how messy this is. Well, we're gonna decorate for Christmas. I know it's only November 6th, but Christmas started 5 days ago, so I'm actually behind. So down there is my Christmas stuff, and I have Christmas stuff like up there, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna actually like take everything out of my room, and I'm gonna rearrange it because I'm kind of bored. First, I think I'm gonna take my sheets off and I'm gonna wash my sheets and my blanket. And then I think I'm just gonna start pulling stuff out of my room because I just need to clean it, deep clean it, and rearrange it. I just need a blank canvas. So here's all my Christmas stuff. This is kind of the new stuff, like it still has tags. And these wooden signs and this rug. This is all the stuff I had last year. There's my mini tree. So yeah, I'm just gonna start pulling everything out. Here's kind of a good before idea. I cleared that pretty fast. Now I think I'm just gonna maybe take that pile out. I'm gonna go get like a mop and water in the vacuum because I have that cleared out and then that corner. So I just need to like clean an area and then move stuff over it. Got this part all clean, so now I'm gonna move my bed, start putting stuff back, and then I'm gonna decorate. So I decided to put my bed there to make my room look more formal. I like how much space the other way had, but I don't know. It's a change, and obviously the dresser isn't gonna be there, so there'll be more walking space here. I'm gonna start cleaning stuff off of here. gonna change it knowing me, but... And then I have to decide what to put up here. So here's what I have so far. I'm actually really liking it. I just kind of have a mess here, and a mess there, and a mess out here. Okay, so I did a couple things off camera. I put this there. I pretty much cleaned this out. It's just the rugs in my comforter. Everything's back under my bed that needs to be. Just need to clean that up. My sheets are done. And then there's a bunch of Christmas blankets. I put these two rugs here and I kind of figured this situation out. I'm almost done actually. Just have a little left. Okay, so I just finished. I just spent the last 3 hours. I'm not even kidding. Look how good this looks. You walk in. I'm actually obsessed on how it turned out, and it looks so good, but I'm literally sweaty. This is how my room's gonna look for the next 2 months, because I decorated early. If you guys liked today's video, make sure you give it a like and subscribe and comment when you guys decorate for Christmas. See you in the next video. Bye.